Okay. Okay, please Lord, say none of those broke, because I'm not buying another one, okay? Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name's Amber, if you don't know me. If you do know me, you know my name's Amber. Oof, I've just done a video, so there's black shit everywhere, man. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I do my foundation base. Today I will be trying out a new brush, so I don't usually do it with a brush. I usually do it with a beauty blender, but today my mum bought these brushes and she told me that I could have one if I wanted one, and I'm going to test this, see if I actually do want it. Okay, it smells normal. First I'm going to take my e.l.f. Flawless Finish Foundation. I don't know what shade this is. It is shade something. Shade Suede. I'm going to put it all over my face. I do not use a primer. I don't know why. I don't have a primer that I've ever thought, wow, this makes such a big difference. So I just don't ever use one. Okay, first thing I like about this brush, literally no product on there whatsoever. All that product has gone on my face. But one of the hairs did fall out, unless it was my hair, I'm not really sure. I'd have to watch the video back to truly know if it was a hair from this brush or it was a hair that just fell off my body somewhere. It's a fucking pube! The one thing I hate about this foundation is it looks proper orange, but it is my skin tone. I just don't get it. Look, not one bit of product on this brush. That is amazing. Just gonna go up there, push that back ever so slightly so we can actually get the full forehead. Just get this a little bit here and just put that on this side. You know what? I actually like this brush. It's really good. Like, normally when I use my beauty blender, I have to use about 2 to 3 squirts of foundation. But this, pretty sure has my whole face covered. And I've still got a little bit left. Well, just a tiny bit. But it's still more than I'd have left if I had to use my damn beauty blender. So thanks, Mum, keeping this brush, because it's absolutely great. And it's really soft. The only reason I don't like brushes is because they usually like make me all flaky and weird. But this one seems to have avoided that. I mean, it seems to have, right? I just don't know anymore. I can't see very well because I ain't got my down glasses on. Actually, I just stepped on them. Okay, let's actually have a look. Okay. Okay, I love this brush. And I'm going to take the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer in shade Medium Sand. And I'm just going to put that on the bottom of my, put that on my highlight spots. Yeah. So put it there, then there, and then put bits there. As you can tell, I don't usually go this far with my makeup all the time. And then I just get this same brush and just dab that in there. Dab that in there, like I just said. Come on, get in that corner. One thing I don't like about brushes is, like, I wish you could get, I don't know, a bit on the brush that was a little bit thinner than the rest, so you could get into these little parts here. With the beauty blender, that little, like, the little part, the little teardrop part that perfectly fits right there. So you avoid having to be like just almost so nearly wiping your eyeshadow off if you put your eyeshadow on before your foundation, which I always do, every single time. I ain't got time for my foundation to be ruined by my eyeshadow at all. Not a single minute of time. You know, this is seriously the first time I've used this brush and I am very, very impressed. I'm gonna tell my mama. Oh, she a bad bitch. Ugh, foundation looks just irks me so much. Next I'm gonna take the Saharan Blush Volume 1 by Juvias Place, and I'm going to use the colour Neo. Abby? I think it's AB? I don't know how it's said, but y'all can see it, okay? It's okay. I'm just going to take that and I'm going to contour my face. And just lightly and ever so slightly, just go in circular motions around these parts and around that part. Just make sure that everything is blended, because it doesn't matter how harsh it is, in my opinion. I mean, that's not what I meant. It doesn't matter how dark it is, in my opinion. It matters if it's blended. And if it ain't blended, you're not, it's just no. It's just a no for me. And now I just took AB just to give the bits above that a bit more definition. I don't really know. Get up there, you piece of crap. As you can see, I put way too much product there. And I'm going to contour this nose, because this nose is the bane of my life. And I'm just going to take that all the way up, all the way up, all the way up to the eyeshadow, all the way up to my eyebrows. Then I'm going to take Neo again and just fluff under here to give my lips a look. I don't know. I see him do it, I want to do it, so I do it too.
I'm not enjoying the look of this contour.
Let's have a look how it looks in the camera. Okay, it looks alright in the camera. Well, I still got them foundation lips. It makes me look like a crackhead. I don't use any powder to set the parts that haven't got powder on it. I know I probably should. I really want that RMRC, I think it's called that. I'll put a picture of it there so y'all can see it. You might have Beauty Bay. I want to buy some of that because it's actually translucent powder. Every powder I buy is usually like yellow toned, and I'm not really into that. I don't know if I'm yellow toned, but I'm not into the yellow tones, okay? I'm into more like orangey, golden, just brown, just regular old brown. I don't know. And I also like hardly ever put any type of setting spray on. I probably should use setting spray. When I wear my glasses, it always takes off the product around here, and if I wore setting spray, maybe that would solve the problem. I don't know. I'm not a makeup artist for anybody else but myself, okay? I'm taking this Golden Rose Terracotta Stardust in shade 105, and I'm just going to apply this to my cheeky cheekies, the bitties where they make it look highlighty and shiny. This is my favourite highlighter ever, for a gold one anyway, and I bought it from Turkey a few years ago now. It's probably old enough to be wanting to be thrown away, but not until I can get to Turkey and get another one. And then I put it on the tip of my nose, and then I skip a little line here and do it on that bit of my nose too. I think it makes my nose look smaller. Let's just do that a little bit. Oh yeah, now my nose is looking nice. Last but not least, for my base, I count this as my base because I do it all together. I'm going to draw my eyebrows on. As you can tell, I shaved the tails of my eyebrows off. I don't know if you could tell, but if you could tell, then as you can tell. It's been nice having the freedom to do whatever eyebrow shape I really want. So today I'm going to have spiky eyebrows. I just take the Louise Badda Black Base and I just blend them like this. Let's just bring it out a little tiny bit further so I can actually make it look like it's fading. Okay, yeah, alright, okay. I'm gonna skip this part and do my other eyebrow, and then I'm gonna come back and show you guys the final result, like full face and everything. And this is my base with a full look attached to it. As you can see, I'm looking pretty fucking fly right now. When I watch this bag, I hope I don't look like a fucking trash bag. Whatever. So if you enjoyed this base video, please don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. Share with your friends, I don't mind. If you would like to follow me on Instagram, my Instagram name is @8yearsaverage. Just follow me there, and I think that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you later. Have a beautiful day and a wonderful evening. Bye!